The government has dismissed the fugitive war veteran Blessed Geza's attempt to introduce a motion in the National Assembly to impeach President Emerson Mnangagwa. Sanapita mashoko kuda panapa atiri kuona kuti the government will dismiss Geza's impeachment motion yada kuunza mu National Assembly achiti ayo it is a stake of lies. Sanapita mashoko mdanyo panapa ndo subscribe like on the bell icon. Tivina pindula mu mdanyo kwa mchinzi. On Sunday, the Minister of Information, Publicity and Broadcasting Services, Jennifer Muswere, asserted that the impeachment attempt would fail due to a lack of cross-party support, adding that the grounds for the proposed impeachment were based on falsehoods. Muswere dismissed the former ZANU-PF Central Committee member as fugitive terrorist whose the girl is Comrade Bombshell, but remarked, "There is nothing bombshell about him. He's just an empty shell," said Muswere. The so-called impeachment paper being circulated by Geza is of no value and not worth the paper it is written on. It's not even worth the time and energy to read it. Last week, a ZANU-PF faction opposed to Mnangagwa released a draft impeachment motion alleging his inability to perform the functions of the office of president due to lack of mental capacity and corruption. The motion was made public after Geza announced his group's intention to pursue impeachment following recent protests. Citing Section 97 of the Zimbabwean Constitution, the motion also accuses the president of willful violation of Constitution due to his alleged lack of mental capacity. The draft motion claims that Mnangagwa is suffering from severe cognitive decline, resulting from a medically diagnosed condition of vascular dementia. Thomas Kwatona panguwa ino kuti aiwa mana Jennifer Muswere vaya chiti aiwa mashoko wana Bombshell Geza aiwa they hold no water, they are just a stake of lies. Panapa amti mtukamiri wenyika aiwa has kufesa those health problems, but pa ground panachona mtukamiri wenyika aiwa ma speeches ari kuita nemamwe occasions achibvunzwa zvimwe zvinhu achitaudza kuti aiwa ari kukanganwa vanhu vanova aiwa ne solid evidence yekuti aiwa mashoko wana Bombshell Geza angukosa rechokwadi. Mbodza mafungiro enyu muri kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi pinda comment section medu kuti mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.